So here I am in the Me store in Westfield's shopping centre in London. We're going to do an unboxing of the Redmi Note 8 Pro, so let's go inside and take a look. So let's have a look inside of the box, okay? So Redmi Note 8 Pro, this is material grey, this particular model. Okay, let's have a look inside here. This is the packaging on the top. So we have a SIM tray tool. We also have, let's have a look in here. I think it's a TPU grey case. So always good when Xiaomi offers these in the package for nothing. Just to keep your phone protected, and you can always buy yourself a more personalised case. So we'll just put that to one side. Okay, and let's get the phone out. Wow, look at that. Looks absolutely amazing. So here's the front of the phone. You'll see that you have a 6.53 inch IPS LCD panel. It can go anywhere up above 600 nits in auto brightness and outdoor use. So it is a very good IPS panel. It's got some great viewing angles, some really good colors. You also have a teardrop notch at the top of the phone. This is a 20 megapixel front facing camera. Let's have a wee look at how it performs. Front facing camera. Yeah, let's see if there's a definition of my nose hairs. Yeah, they're pretty bad. There you go. So it's pretty accurate in regards to how ugly I am. So yeah, that's a good front-facing camera. Doesn't really have too much beautifying going on, thankfully. The Redmi Note 8 Pro, you've got a 64 megapixel camera. That's your primary lens. Your secondary is an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera lens. And as well as that, you've got two megapixel camera lenses. One is for micro camera usage, and one is a depth sensor for use with the primary camera. You can see from the back as well, it's also curved. It kind of reminds me of the Mi 8 series. It's got a very similar shape to the back, so that's a real big improvement over the predecessor of the Redmi Note 7. Rather than a flat design, something that holds better in the hand. It also has a 45,000 milliamp battery, so hell of a size of a battery for everyday use. It is also a MediaTek processor. It's a 12 nanometer processor. It's the G90T. It's a liquid cooled processor, and it has been marketed as a budget gaming phone. So this is a really good package in regards to being able to game and also have very good camera image quality as well. This doesn't normally go hand in hand, so this is kind of an all-round package. It definitely is a dark horse, considering that's a MediaTek processor. There has been some great scores out there as well. You can view online. So yeah, so this really is a beautiful device. It reminds me very much of my Mi 8 in a certain way, the feel of the phone and the weight of the phone, and I'm extremely impressed with the camera so far. I'm playing around with that. It is running MIUI 10 at the moment in time, but it is on the MIUI 11 program, so it will be getting an update in the near future. If there's anything else you'd like to find out about this phone, please feel free to put some comments in the section below. That's been my quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. I think it's a fantastic phone. It definitely feels very premium for a budget mid-tier phone. Yeah, I've really liked it pretty much, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.